Hey, we're here right now with Russell of Torrey Pines Logic, and it looks like they're doing some communications using LED transmission, which would be undetectable or unjammable like a traditional radar signal. So, Russell, you're going to do a heck of a better job explaining this than me. So, why don't you give us another explanation?
Absolutely. So what we have here is just a different array of our light speed optical communication products. We have dismounted systems. For example, this is an L1. This is basically an optical-based walkie-talkie. This would give bidirectional voice communications, full duplex between operators in the field, and they'd be able to communicate without any RF interference, or if they were denied in that environment, they could still communicate freely. This could be the difference, in survivability. For example, if all their RFs are contested and they just need to get messaging back to get, rescued or get some help, this could be that one thing that could help them get what they need. The same technology we've applied to data communication systems. So this is basically almost like an off-road type light with a battery. And all we provide is just a standard RJ45 10100 base T Ethernet connection. So by all accounts and purposes, we're just a wireless Ethernet cable. There's no special drivers. There's no special interfaces. You just plug and play where you'd want to have an Ethernet cable. We have underwater systems. So basically, these are in deep sea housings, and these are designed to provide data communications underwater. And then we actually have full omnidirectional type systems. So this is the equivalent of basically a 360-degree antenna. So this would basically be between command vehicles. This would be on small combat craft, and it would basically mesh all those local command vehicles or vessels, so then they could have shared tactical pictures. One example here we have is we're actually running a HD, like a UHD video demo. So if you can look over there, so that's a long-range sensor on the tripod there. That's capable of 12 kilometers of data communication. Yeah. It actually has an inertial stabilized platform, so it can actually work in maritime environments. So if it's on a ship, it'll keep it stabilized and actually keep tracking, either another ship, or it can track a guy on the shore. So that's actually communicating with this dismounted platform here. You can see, compared to the size of my hand, this is something that somebody could easily put in their pack, break out, and then send information back to the ship. And then this is the video originating from the other side. So this is a full frame, full 4K video coming across. And we're capable of data rates up to 20 megabits a second with that 10100 base T Ethernet connection. And that includes if you have encrypted end devices. We're just a pass-through, so we'll just pass through your encrypted information. The technology is about 22 years old, 5th generation, high TRL. We've had deployed systems, so well beyond R&D phase.
Wow, that's great. So these are all in production. They've all been deployed.
Yes.
And so what's your primary function of coming here, to get some more exposure for sales and whatnot?
Right. So the technology itself is a niche. It's been niche in the special operations community, and it's now beginning to get greater traction as the Navy, the Army, Marine Corps say we need to operate in RF contested environments. So now we're starting to see a roll up into a greater tactical picture. And so we're here, since we are coming from a smaller community, there's a lot of people that are not aware of the technology, and so just we're evangelizing it and just trying to make people aware the technology is there, it's mature, and it's ready.
That's awesome. Russell, thanks for your time.
Absolutely.
Enjoy the rest of the show here, and get to the gym sometime.
All right, I'll try. Thank you so much.